the ball. Pauline, bounce the ball like this. This is the bounce the ball. Pauline, bounce. Let go. Let go your hands. Again. Don't aim at me. Very good. Thank you, Pauline.
That's how you dribble the ball.
Nope. I think this. See? The baby wants the ball.
Yes, she wants the ball because it's bouncy kasi. Baby wants circle things and bouncy things. Oops. Uy! Wow naman! Bounce mo na yung ball.
This is where you put air again if the ball is flat.
Yes. Uy, wow! Oh, shoot mo, shoot!
My bottle.
Shoot! Anak, paano nga i-shoot?
The baby, baby said she wants a carry from you. Like,
Wait lang.